All right, guys, well, we're back at the GTO. I got some more information. You guys are right. It's been here for over 25 years. And it's not looking any better as I pull the tarp off it. It's not looking good. So what's the story with it? Well, apparently the man that owns this car owns a third of the house. So the gentleman, the older gentleman that is living here currently, doesn't want to get in the middle of it, which I can't blame him. But you know, we could do an abandonment vehicle, but if this guy owns a third of the property, it's kind of not abandonment at that point, is it? So we're gonna go ahead and I got another tarp. If nothing else, we're gonna go ahead and put a fresh tarp on this thing. I know, what's the point, but if that's all I can do, you know, that's all I can do. Get a better look at it anyway.
This side looks awesome.
Yeah, that side looks a lot better, doesn't it? Wow.
Yeah, even it says GTO.
It says GTO, that's right.
Wait, you're missing something.
Come on.
Hey, please open this.
All right, guys, the hood latch is frozen. I'm not going to try and get the hood open any more than I already have. This probably has a 400 in it. I didn't see the VIN either. I was curious. But I'm sure it's a 242 car. It's got a 78 University sticker on it, so this thing's been sitting here forever. But that's too bad. So that's gonna do it. We're just gonna wrap it up, and I don't know, you never know. I left my contact information. Maybe one day I'll get the call, we'll see. So again, I guess he just abandoned this car here. I have no idea. He parked it here and bought an RV and left a perfectly good running 4-speed GTO here. No idea. So we're gonna finish covering this thing and it's gonna be it. This car is, I don't want to say it. It's it's really rough, but still a GTO. I had high hopes for this car. What are you gonna do? You wanna go find another one, Josh?
Yes.
What kind of car?
I don't know.
Muscle car or Volkswagen?
Either is fine.
Oh, either is fine. Good call. All right, let's do it. You want to say bye to the folks?
Bye-bye, folks. Have a great day.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bought a Chevelle Z28.